Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce branding costs with Canva detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a free Canva account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Navigate to the templates section to explore thousands of. Using templates can significantly cut down on design time and effort. Select a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and purpose. Customize the template by changing colors to match your brand palette. Incorporate your logo and other branding elements directly into the design. Use the text tool to modify font styles and sizes, ensuring they reflect your brand voice. Consider utilizing Canva's large library of stock photos and graphics. This can save you money on purchasing images from external sources. When you create custom graphics, ensure they are unique to maintain brand identity. You can also collaborate with team members directly within Canva. This feature allows for real-time feedback without the need for separate meetings. Once your designs are completed, you can download them in various formats. Opt for PNG or PDF formats for high-quality prints. If you're looking for social media graphics, choose the recommended dimensions directly within Canva. Canva also offers a scheduling feature for social media posts. This saves time and ensures consistent branding across platforms. Make use of Canva's Brand Kit feature if you have a Canva Pro account. You can store brand fonts, colors, and logos in one convenient location. This streamlines the design process and keeps everything cohesive. Regularly review and update your templates to stay relevant. By reusing and adapting existing designs, you will minimize costs further. Finally, take advantage of Canva's educational resources. These can help you improve your design skills and efficiency over time. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce branding costs using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.